Assalamualaikum and very good evening. Basically, ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate. It is a chemical compound stored in the body, specifically in the muscle, that has been broken down to enable the muscle contraction. In terms of the structure, ATP consists of 3-phosphate attached with the adenosine group, and the line between the phosphate and the adenosines representing chemical bond where the energy stored. So the energy hold and bond to combine the phosphate and adenosine to be a complete ATP. And during the exercise, the final phosphate, the third phosphate along the line of adenine group is broken off chemically. In this state, energy will be released to the muscle and left the 2-phosphate plus 1 adenosine becomes ADP, adenosine diphosphate. So di is for 2, tri is for meaning for 3. But there's a problem in the body, in the muscle. It's just only enough ATP stores to drive the contraction only for within 6 seconds. So body have to recreate the ATP from the ADP was left behind by reattach the phosphate to create back ATP. And this process called resynthesis. Why we need to resynthesis the ATP? Like I already said before, it's because only ATP can be used to drive muscle contraction in our body. We can't use anything else. So in addition, our body has 3 different ways to resynthesis, and it's depending in the durations and intensity of the exercise, which is mean how much the demand of energy. I will not explain as detailed as much according to the limitation of this video, only 3 minutes. So the body restore or resynthesis or reattach, you name it, from ADP to ATP is by the 3 pathway in our body. And the first one is ATP-PC pathway, and second one is lactate, LACTATE pathway, and the last but not least is aerobic pathway. And each of these use the different methods of resynthesis. And thanks to Professor Dr. Tengku Fadilah Kamaldin and all my classmates for this semester, till we met again.